Hi, today we are going to talk about combining like terms, and by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to combine like terms in an expression or in an equation. But today we're going to focus on expressions. In example number 1 here, it comes off of your worksheet that you're going to do in just a few minutes. But it says 16x minus 2x. First, you need to identify your like terms. Like terms have the exact same variable parts. So my like terms are 16x and negative 2x. And in order to combine them, all you do is exactly what it says. It says 16x minus 2x. So my answer for this one would be 14x. On this example, it's question number 4. And it says 9x plus 14x. Again, you need to identify your like terms. And in this case, my like terms are 9x and positive 14x. When I put those together, that gives me 9 plus 14 is 23, and then I cannot forget my x. The next one is question number 7. First step I need to do is identify my like terms. My like terms are 26y and a positive 13y. Now remember, they are like terms because they have the same variable parts. They both have a y. So 26 plus 13 is 39, and then we have a y that tags along with it. You're just putting those things together. Now, if I give you something like 5xy plus 4xy, this is an example for you. I got to identify my like terms again. Like terms have the exact same variable parts. So looking at 5xy, you've got to look and see if this one also has an x and a y. And in this case it does. So I put it together. 5xy plus 4xy is 9xy. So another example would be 5x plus 4y plus 6x minus 2y. First, I need to identify my like terms. Remember, like terms have the exact same variable part. So this 5x has an x, only an x. So I need to look in my list here to see what else has an x. And in this case, it's going to be a positive 6x. Then I need to look at my positive 4y. 4y, we're looking in our list to find something else that has a y. So in this case, it would be a negative 2y. So to put those things together, looking at my yellows, 5 plus 6 is 11, and don't forget those are x's. And then 4y, and that's a positive 4y. So positive 4y minus 2y is a positive 2y, because 4 minus 2 is 2. Since it's positive, that's why we have the plus sign in between. We cannot combine these things because they are not like terms. So looking at our assignment for today, building number sense, and it has come to us from The Good Apple. Found this online for us. We are going to look at our answers here. Number 1 was 16x minus 2x. We found that to be 14x. So I'm going to look at one across. This is a crossword puzzle. So it was 14x. So I don't forget, each number gets, or each box gets a number. So I'm going to do 1, 4, and x. So I have number 1 finished. Number 4, which is from our notes again, 9x plus 14x was 23x. So I'm going to write that down on my worksheet, 23x, so you can remember. And again, each box gets a number or a letter in this case. Number 4 across is right here. Going across is 2, 3x. Okay, the next one I did for us was 26y plus 13y. It was 39y. I'm going to write 39y. And it's 7 across, so I'm going to find 7 and go across. That was 39y. Okay, the next, I didn't do any others on here, But now you get the idea of how to do it. So I just keep crossing them off. I write my answers on here. You'll need to do that on the down side as well. So if you look at one down, they are all like terms. 26a, negative 14a, and positive a. Remember there's an understood 1 right there. So you could use your calculator. 26 minus 14 plus 1 is going to be 13a. 13a is 1 down, so each box gets a number. So I have 1, 3, and then this one's going to have an a. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.